Hello and welcome to the short video on the open-close principle. The open-close principle or OCP is one of the solid principles of object-oriented programming. It was formulated by Bertrand Meyer in 1988 in his book Object-Oriented Software Construction. It states that software entities should be open for extension but closed for modification. Which means when new requirements are added, you extend the behavior of such modules by adding new code and not by modifying old code that already works. In the context of OCP, there are few terms that need some more explanation. Software entities. These refer to various components of a software system that are subject to change. These entities could be classes, module, functions, or any other software artifact that can be modified to add new features and functionalities. For our purpose, we will consider entity as a class or a function in that class. Open for extension means ability to change the behavior of an entity, say class or a function, without changing any code inside that entity. Close for modification is the ability to not able to change any code in that entity. This is possible only if the entity is inside a compiled library or a NuGet package. For an example, let us take a simple class called salary calculator that takes a job title and hours worked and returns the salary for the job title. In our OCP context, we can have the salary calculator class as a module. We will create another class called client, which will instantiate the salary calculator and then calculates the salary by passing the job title and the number of hours worked. Now, if we want to add a new behavior like adding a new job title, then we would need to add a code in the existing module, something like this. This is violation of open close principle because remember this is the module in the OCP context, and adding a new job title we had to modify the code inside the module. This violates the closed for modification clause. Let us see how we can change this code so that adding any new job title doesn't require any change in any of the salary calculator module. To fix this violation, we need to design the code in a way that it is open for extension. One way to achieve this is by using the strategy pattern. We can create an interface called iJobTitle and create a separate class for each job title that implements this interface. So to save time, I have already created this class. So this is the iJobTitle class, and each job title has to implement this job title and return the hourly rate of the job title. The changes required in the salary calculator class is something like this. And now we don't require this private method. Now consider the same scenario of adding a new job title called designer. What it requires is we need to create a new class called job designer job title. The class name doesn't matter. Designer job title, and implement the iJob title. Now the client can pass either the designer job title or the developer job title based on the requirement. As you could see, adding a new job title didn't require any change in the salary calculator. What we have done is effectively made the salary calculator open for extension. So this is what open close principle is all about. In conclusion, to avoid violating the open close principle, we need to design our code in a way that it is open for extension but closed for modification. We can achieve this by using design patterns such as the strategy pattern. I hope you found this video informative and that it has helped you better understand the open close principle. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on software design and development. Thank you for watching.